Hi there and welcome to Easy Forms, the advanced form builder and manager tool that will let you create and share online forms quickly and easily without any coding skills. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up email notifications, just because before configuring your form notifications you need to make sure the app is well configured to send emails. For this we need to go to Site Settings and then Mail Settings. As you can see, EasyForms supports 4 kinds of transport through SMTP, Brevo, SendGrid, and Amazon SES. For this video, we will configure the app to use an SMTP account in Mailtrap.io so we can see exactly how notifications arrive on that server. Of course, first, we need to create our form by clicking on Forms and create a new form. Then, just as in our video on how to create a contact form, let's put a title, add some text field, email field, and our submit button. But this time we're going to change the labels and also put some predefined values on both fields. Now save the form and go back to Form Settings, then to Notification Settings. The first thing you can see here are the events that can trigger the email notification. These events may vary depending on the add-ons that we have configured with the form, but there are 5 events by default. Email is verified but double opt-in. Form is submitted, edit submission. Form is submitted, new submission. Submission is created, and submission is updated. When the event makes reference to new submission or edit submission, it means when the form is submitted by using the form widget or the form page. Meanwhile, submission is created or submission is updated. It's when the entry is added or edited with the submission manager. The event email is verified but double opt-in is when we use the double opt-in feature, that in short is once the user confirms his email by clicking the opt-in link. This time we're going to configure the event form is submitted, new submission. This will be our test. And in form name, we will use the field name we just put on our setup email notification form. Then put our email, and in the reply to field we will use the email field we also put on our setup email notification form. In this first test, our message will include all data, and later we will see the other options too. Now let's save and jump back over to see how the notification is sent after submitting the form. As you can see, the Mailtrap inbox is empty. Let's click on Submit, and back in our inbox, there is our notification. As we choose to send all data, we can find here all our submission details. Now let's go back and choose another option. Once again, Actions, Settings, Notification Settings. And this time let's click on Only Link. Save. And then click on Forms and submit your setup email notification form one more time. If we go to our Mailtrap inbox, we will find our new notification with a kind invitation to follow the link for more details. Finally, the last option is to send a customized message. By default, you have here the submission details, which by the way can use merge tag or variables that can be replaced with the form values. For example, the text value will be replaced with the name we put in our form, John, and the email value with the john@example.com we fill in the form. With custom message, we also have the option of editing as HTML code. So let's fill something quickly to try it. But of course, you can use the WYSIWYG editor if you like. Save one last time and submit your form one more time too. Now in our Mailtrap inbox, we can see our new customized message with the tags that identify the account. So there you are, ready to set up your email notifications in only a few steps. Because remember, it is always easy with easy forms.